In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email domain in Squarespace. Quick guide. Let's get started right inside your Squarespace dashboard. Open your website's backend so you're looking at the main control panel. From here, head into Settings, then find the Domains and Email section. This is where Squarespace lets you register a new domain, manage one you already own, and prepare everything you need for a professional email address that matches your brand. Inside Domains and Email, open the option to register and manage domains, whether they're from Squarespace or another seller. If you don't have a domain yet, choose Get a Domain. In the search box, type the name you want, then review the available extensions and pricing that appear. Pick the option that best fits your brand and click it to continue. If you see a perfect match, select it to proceed with checkout. If not, try slight variations until you find a clean, memorable choice. Short, easy-to-pronounce names are usually best. If you already own a domain elsewhere, choose Use a Domain I Own. Type your existing domain into the field and continue. Squarespace will guide you through connecting it, either by transferring the domain or pointing it to Squarespace. If you keep the domain with your current registrar, follow the on-screen prompts to update your DNS records. Squarespace provides the exact values you'll need. Once you've completed the instructions, close the connection dialog to return to your domain list. Back on the domain screen, look for the Auto-Renew setting, often labeled Never Expires. Turn this on for your primary domain. This ensures your domain renews automatically, so you never risk losing your website or email because a payment date slipped by. You can always update your billing details later, but enabling this now is a great safety net. Next, open the SSL certificate status. Make sure it's enabled and allowed to provision. SSL is what gives you the secure padlock in the browser and helps protect data across your site and related subdomains. If the status shows as processing or pending, give it some time. New domains and DNS changes can take a while to propagate, sometimes up to 24-48 hours, before the certificate becomes active. If it fails, double-check that your domain is correctly connected and pointing to Squarespace. That's it. You've registered or connected your domain, set it to never expire, and confirmed SSL is in place. With these foundations done, your domain is ready for branded email setup with your chosen email provider from the same